This 2025 Grand Design Transcend One 161BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Skylight, microwave, refrigerator, water heater, oven, awning, slide-out, leveling jacks, air conditioning, stovetop burner, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, mid-kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Transcend One 161BH is 4,784 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.